Animate Project 4, Ocean Animation. We're on Stage 3, Programming Basic Timeline Control. We have all of the items that we need built. We need to make the changes so that the logo animation will only play once when the movie loads the first time. The swimming turtle should only play when the turtle button is clicked. The cave should only show when the cave button is clicked. And we want to be able to have these items hid when the animation first starts. The first thing we need to start with is turning the motion tween of the turtle into a movie clip. We will select the turtle layer. To select all of it, we need to right-click inside those selected frames and choose Copy Frames. We're going to select Insert, New Symbol, name this symbol Swimming Turtle. It is a movie clip that we are going to put in the movie clip folder. In the new Swimming Turtle clip, right-click on frame 1 and paste your frames. Click anywhere within the first 94 frames. Choose Edit Select All and move the curved line so that it aligns with the registration point in the center. You can adjust it with your arrow keys. Click anywhere in the frames from 95 on. Select all again. And again, you're going to line the end of that up. That's going to align the start of our animation the way it was aligned originally. Return to Scene 1. Right-click in one of the sets of frames and remove the motion from the turtle layer, and then select the other set, right-click, and again remove motion. Next, we're going to select frame 2 of the topmost layer, scroll to the last frame that we have filled and select the bottom layer, and hold down your Shift key to select all of those frames in between. Right-click anywhere in those selected frames and choose to remove frames. Click the existing turtle instance on the stage to select it, and in the Properties panel, select the Swap button and change that instance to an instance of Swimming Turtle. Next, we're going to name all the instances of the symbols. We need to have them named before they can have an ActionScript code applied to them. With the Swimming Turtle selected, change his instance name to Turtle MC for Movie Clip. Select the cave and name it Cave MC. Select the Reset button and name it Reset Button BTN. Select the next Cave button and name it Cave BTN, and Turtle. Also button. In the timeline, select the logo layer name so that you can access it. Click on the registration point to select the logo, and in your Properties panel, name it BOP MC. Next, open your code snippets. You'll find a nice place to lodge those for the moment. We're going to expand the Action Scripts folder and Actions. I'm going to narrow that down just a little bit so it fits on the screen a little bit better, because I will need to expand timeline navigation shortly. Select the swimming turtle instance on the stage and double-click Stop a Movie Clip. That's going to add that action. I'm going to drag that down to the bottom section of my screen. So we've now added that snippet. Next, we want to select the cave instance and double-click Stop a Movie Clip to stop it from playing. Select the cave instance again and double-click Show an Object. At this point, we're going to need to change the qualification in line 27 where it says cave MC visible equals true. We want that to be false. If we press Control Enter and play our movie, we will see that those two items no longer play and our logo keeps coming and going. We're going to fix that by going to the Library panel and double-clicking on the BOP movie clip to open it. Move your playhead to the last frame, click to select the logo, expand the timeline navigation so that you can double-click to select Stop at this frame. Go back to Scene 1 and again press Control Enter to play your movie. The logo will come on, fade through, and stay on. Next, we're going to add event handlers to the buttons. You need to make sure your code snippets are still open. You're going to begin by selecting the turtle button on the stage. Then double-click on Click to go to Frame and Play to add that code to the Snippets panel. Place an insertion point before Go to and Play and click the Insert Instance Path and Name button at the top of the Actions panel. We're going to select the Turtle Movie. Put in a period and change the frame number in the Go to and Play parenthesis to frame 1. Next, we're going to select the Cave button, double-click the Go to Frame and Play, place an insertion point before Go to and Play, and select the Cave Movie. Put in a period and change the Go to and Play parenthesis from frame 5 to frame 1. Select the Cave Movie clip on the stage and double-click the Show an Object item in the Actions folder. Select the line of code that makes the cave visible and Control X to cut that and place it immediately above the This Cave Go to and Play code. Delete the extra lines of comments at the bottom. Press Control Return to test your movie. Save your file, and then you're going to publish this as a Flash file. We do not need the HTML wrapper. Add your name to the file. No spaces, use an underscore. Select Publish and OK, and that will be the file you'll send to me. It's going to be about 93K, so it's going to be very small, but it should work, and that's what you'll send.